How to check daily limit in Simplii. Refer to the product letter received when opening your account for specific limits. If the product letter is unavailable, chat with Simplii through online banking. Alternatively, call Simplii customer service for assistance. To check your daily bank machine withdrawal limit, insert your card into any CIBC bank machine. Follow the on-screen prompts to view your limit. You can also check your limit through the Simplii mobile app. Ensure you are aware of these limits for better financial management. Hope you understood the topic. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.